Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to print a print quality report from a HP OfficeJet Pro 9010. Now this is the closest thing this printer has to a dedicated test page and can be printed off without doing the cleaning cycles we've detailed in a previous video. So to get started we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already here, there'll be an illuminated home icon there you can press to be taken here. So to get ourselves started, we simply drag down on the bar at the top of the screen and we need to go into settings using the little cog icon found on the top left hand side. Once we're in setup, we're going to go down past printer maintenance, where you can find that cleaning cycle, to reports. Press to go into report, and print quality report is the second option. So press to go into that. And if we give the printer a minute, we'll eventually end up with a page that looks like this. Got text at the top, bunch of lines, and the bit you're probably looking for will be here, where you have the black, cyan, magenta and yellow blocks with a slight gradient there, giving you an idea of the print quality your printer is capable of producing for each of the 4 cartridges it has installed. As you can see, mine has a couple of little issues on the black there, so I'm going to have to do some cleans to try and pull that through. And you can find the dedicated video I've mentioned a couple of times on our channel to guide you through that. Now I hope you found this useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one.